Carbohydrates. Disaccharide. Di means two, and saccharide means sugar. So you can guess what a disaccharide means. It means two sugar. A disaccharide is a dimer of carbohydrates, like the one on the right. Remember, a dimer is when two monomers are put together. So a polymer, which means many is many monomer put together, and so on, like the one on the right. Same thing with a polysaccharide. A polysaccharide is similar to a polymer. It's when many sugar, single sugar, put together, like the one on the right. So in chemistry, when you put molecules together, the process is called condensation, putting things together. So condensation means to put together, to compact. And the word dense in condensation, it's compact together. So now not only do you learn the definition of the word, you learn the Latin root word of dense. So putting sugar together. First, before we learn how plants put sugar together, we're going to learn why it puts sugar together. Why don't we just leave the sugar in monosaccharides as glucose instead of putting them together as polysaccharide and then having come up with more scientific names and confusing us biology students? Well, the reason is to save space. It's just like folding clothes. Well, you save more space when you fold your clothes rather than leave it lying around. So that's why plants put sugar together. Okay, now we're going to learn the how process. It put things together by, well, first, a monosaccharide is a single sugar. So there's our single sugar, 6 carbon ring glucose. Okay, when you have two or more sugar, here's the before. On your right, you see 2 sugar. And then here's the after when both sugar are put together. Do you notice the difference? Okay, well, on the first one, notice the 2 OH. And on the second one, when they merge together, there's only an O left. So, what was removed? First, on the top right, there's 2 H and there's 2 O. Then when you remove something, there's only an O left. So the thing that would remove was 2H and 1 O. Doesn't that sound familiar? Dihydrogen monoxide? It's water. H2O was removed. So the process of putting 2 sugar together, you had to remove water. And it's called dehydration synthesis. What? Dehydration synthesis. Dehydrate. Remember when a person dehydrates, you're talking to someone, are you dehydrating? Yes. I mean that person is losing water. So the process is to put things together by taking water out. D means out and hydrate is water. So dehydration is taking water out. Synthesis is to put things together. So you put things together by taking water out. So in other words, the sugars are put together by removing the water. Now have you noticed that sugar is dry? So now everything's starting all make sense, right? See, isn't biology so cool? Now, it's very important to learn Latin root word because it helps you both on biology and the SAT and such. Last words. Chemist last words. Wait, that wasn't water? Ugh. So, how's your day at school today?